Hey guys, Steve Moffatt from Moffatt's Mazda back with a tutorial we want to show you today, which involves showing you how to connect your new Mazda Connect services. This service is available on most 2021 and a half and 2022 new models. So my friend Aaron here is going to take you through how to register this new program.
Hi, I'm Aaron from Moffatt's Mazda, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the My Mazda app with Connected Services. To get started with the My Mazda app, go to the App Store and search My Mazda. Once you've found My Mazda, hit download. Once the app's downloaded, open the app. You'll want to register your account at this point. Enter your email address and follow the next steps. Once your account's created, you'll need to log into your app. Enter your email address and password. Next, you're going to want to add your vehicle. Start by scanning your VIN. The VIN scanner can be located on the side door jamb. Scan the VIN on the door jamb. Validate your VIN that it matches with your car. This one ends in 664 and it says so on the phone as well. Next, select your preferred dealer. Moffatt's Mazda. Do you wish to enroll now? Yes. Tap Start to start the enrollment process. Follow the next steps. Turn the ignition on. Hit Next. Request the authorization code. Once the authorization code is sent, it's going to display on your vehicle's infotainment screen. Enter the code. Once your vehicle is connected, you will see this screen. Once you have the app downloaded and set up, you should be able to start your vehicle right from your phone. Not only can you remote start your vehicle, you can check vehicle statuses such as remaining fuel, odometer, even book your next service appointment right from the app.